Planning a cruise to Ensenada, Mexico? Whether you're visiting for a few hours or planning a full day ashore, this guide will cover everything you need to know, including transportation, top attractions, shore excursions, local foods, practical information, and some fascinating facts that make this destination the Cinderella of the Pacific. If you enjoy practical cruise guides, destination tips, and advice to help you make the most of your time ashore, consider subscribing so you never miss an upcoming destination. Now, let's explore Ensenada. Nestled along Mexico's Pacific coast in the state of Baja California, Ensenada is a vibrant seaside city, often known as the Cinderella of the Pacific. Located about 80 miles south of San Diego, Ensenada is one of the closest Mexican cruise destinations for ships sailing from Southern California. The Ensenada Cruise Port is located within Ensenada Cruise Port Village on the shores of Bahia de Todos Santos. The port features 2 dedicated cruise ship berths, allowing up to 2 large cruise ships to dock at the same time. Berth number 1 runs parallel to the shoreline, while berth number 2 sits at a right angle beside the Hutchison Port's ECV Marina. After leaving the ship, you'll enter the secure cruise terminal, where you'll find restrooms, tourist information, and official shore excursion representatives ready to assist arriving passengers. Just outside the terminal is the main transportation hub, where you'll find the official taxi stand, pre-booked tour buses, and shuttle services to downtown Ensenada, all within a short walk of the ship. Getting around Ensenada is easy, and for many cruise passengers, walking is the most convenient option. The historic center begins just outside Ensenada Cruise Port Village, and the main tourist district is about a 15 to 20-minute walk along a flat, scenic waterfront route. If you'd rather not walk, the official downtown shuttle operates from inside the secure cruise terminal. Round-trip tickets cost $4 per person, cash only. The shuttle is convenient, but buses typically wait until they're full before departing, and the ride may include a brief presentation for local tours and attractions. For a quicker trip, yellow taxis are available just outside the port security gates. Be sure to confirm the fare before you get in. Uber is also available in Ensenada, but pickups are not permitted inside the cruise terminal. Simply walk outside the security gates near the Caracol Science Museum to request your ride. One of the best things about visiting Ensenada is how easy it is to explore on foot. As you can see on the map, you can simply walk straight out of Ensenada Cruise Port Village and into the historic center. Most of the city's top attractions are located close together along a convenient walking route, making it easy to experience the highlights without needing transportation. Your first stop is just an 11-minute walk, or about 800 meters, 0.5 mile, from the cruise terminal. Here you'll find the monumental flag and Ventana al Mar, a beautiful waterfront park overlooking the harbor. It's the perfect place to enjoy panoramic views of the bay, photograph one of Mexico's largest flags, and capture your cruise ship in the background. From there, it's only another 6-minute walk, or about 450 meters, 0.28 mile, to Plaza Cívica de la Patria, better known as the Three Heads Park. This waterfront plaza features the massive golden busts of Miguel Hidalgo, Benito Juárez, and Venustiano Carranza, honoring 3 of Mexico's most important historical figures. Continue just 6 minutes, or approximately 450 meters, 0.28 mile, to Mercado Negro, Ensenada's famous seafood market. This local favorite is the perfect place to experience Baja California's fresh seafood culture. Browse stalls selling fresh fish, shrimp, lobster, oysters, and other local catches, or stop at one of the casual restaurants serving authentic Baja-style seafood. From Mercado Negro, it's about a 9-minute walk, or 600 meters, 0.37 mile, to the legendary Husong's Cantina. Established in 1892, it's the oldest cantina in Baja California and one of Ensenada's most iconic landmarks. Whether you stop in for a drink or simply admire its historic facade, Husong's offers a glimpse into the city's colorful past. Next, continue 18 minutes, or approximately 1.3 kilometers, 0.81 mile, along Avenida Adolfo López Mateos, better known as Calle Primera. This lively downtown street is lined with souvenir shops, local boutiques, pharmacies, tequila stores, cafes, and restaurants, making it one of the best places to shop, enjoy local flavors, and soak up Ensenada's vibrant atmosphere. Your final stop is the beautiful Riviera del Pacifico Cultural Center, located just a 7-minute walk, or about 550 meters (0.34 mile) from Calle Primera. Originally opened as a luxury resort and casino in the early 1900s, this beautifully restored Spanish colonial landmark now features museums, gardens, cultural exhibits, and is widely recognized as the birthplace of the original margarita cocktail. From the Riviera, it's an easy 12-minute walk, or about 850 meters (0.53 mile), back to Ensenada Cruise Port Village, completing a scenic 5.55 kilometer (3.45 mile) walking loop in approximately 1 hour and 14 minutes. While Ensenada is easy to explore on foot, there are also plenty of exciting shore excursions beyond downtown. The most popular is La Bufadora, one of North America's largest marine blowholes. Located about 45 minutes south of the cruise port, powerful ocean waves shoot water up to 100 feet into the air. The walk to the viewpoint takes you through a lively marketplace filled with handmade crafts, local snacks, and tequila tastings. Wine lovers won't want to miss Valle de Guadalupe, Mexico's premier wine region. Just 40 minutes northeast of Ensenada, the valley is home to more than 100 wineries, offering tastings, vineyard tours, and outstanding farm-to-table dining. If you're looking for adventure, several excursions feature ziplining, off-road ATV tours, or horseback riding along Baja's scenic coastline and rugged countryside. Ensenada is one of Mexico's top culinary destinations and is widely recognized as the birthplace of the fish taco. Fresh seafood is the highlight here, from crispy beer-battered fish tacos to ceviche, oysters, and world-famous seafood tostadas. If you're wondering where to eat, La Guerrerense is famous for its seafood tostadas, while Mercado Negro is the go-to spot for authentic Ensenada-style fish tacos. For drinks, step into the historic Husong's Cantina for a classic margarita, or visit Wenlant Brew Pub to sample award-winning Baja craft beers. Most of these popular food and drink spots are just a short walk or quick ride from the cruise terminal. Before heading out to explore Ensenada, here are a few practical tips to help make your visit safe, comfortable, and stress-free. Mexican peso is the official currency, though US dollars and credit cards are commonly accepted in Ensenada's tourist areas. For the best value, carry pesos for small purchases, local transportation, and tips. Ensenada has a mild Mediterranean climate with warm, dry summers and cool winters. Temperatures range from about 50 degrees Fahrenheit, or 10 degrees Celsius, in winter to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, or 29 degrees Celsius, in late summer, with the best weather typically from April to May and September to October. Rain is most common from December to March, while June mornings may bring coastal fog before clearing in the afternoon. Ensenada is generally safe and welcoming for cruise visitors. Stay aware of your surroundings, avoid unfamiliar areas at night, and use trusted transportation like Uber or official taxis. For health, drink sealed bottled water, choose busy restaurants and food vendors, and carry small precautions like hand sanitizer. In an emergency, dial 911, which works throughout Mexico. Ensenada is partially accessible for travelers with limited mobility. The cruise terminal and Malecón waterfront are flat and easy to navigate, but older downtown areas may have uneven sidewalks, curbs, and limited wheelchair access. Whether you're visiting Ensenada for the first time or returning on another cruise, we hope this guide has helped you feel more confident about planning your day ashore. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Cruising with CJ, and turn on notifications so you never miss another cruise port guide. I'm CJ, helping you cruise smarter, one port at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next port.